Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Last time you seen this Jeep, it only had 118 in it.
Yeah. How many subs is that? Wow.
812.
Oh, you really fit it in there. Nice work. What all equipment do you have?
There's 3 Wolfram 90.4s, all Wolfram mids, and then there's 8 CB312s. And right now I'm on a Teammates amp until mine come in on an NBA kit at 1 ohm.
That's all 8 on 1 ohm?
Yep.
Okay. Have you metered it yet?
Playing around on music, it said it only did a 53 on music. So, but yeah.
Alright. Low power. How much electrical is that?
154 amp hours of LTO pouches.
Wow.
And 240.
Yeah, that's really good, man. Woo. What is this port tuned to?
43. So,
43.
I gotta bring it down to here to the Silver Resonance.
Nice. I like the brace. Dude, your roof didn't even move.
No.
Yeah, you built it.
It really moves. It's fucking windshield.
Yeah. Yeah.
That door's broke.
I don't know how it's gonna handle all that mix. I appreciate the demo. What was your name?
Wayne.
Wayne, Jacob. Thanks for the demo, Wayne. Woo. port tune to?
43. So,
43.
I gotta bring it down here to the sealed residence.
Nice. So what? Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.